so it is moving day. I'm so excited. I just have some like odds and ends that I'm like packing up now. I've already taken a shower and like gotten ready and stuff. So I need to put my phone on the charger for the call. Hold on, let me set it right here really quickly. Okay, let me get a Sharpie. Hold on. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put together one last box because I want to put some stuff from the kitchen. Whew. It is nice and bright outside today. I'm so excited. Yeah, okay. And then my bedding is in the dryer, so I need to turn it on one more time so that it gets completely dry. Okay. What time is it? It's 8:47. The mover should get here at 9. And my dad isn't here. I thought he would be, but he usually runs errands like every single Saturday, like clockwork. So yeah, we're just gonna start this move without him. This is, I don't know. It feels weird just because this is like my first move. But he knows that I got this. Especially since I got these movers. Like I don't need my dad's help at all, honestly. I've had this honey for so long. It expired last year. I haven't been using it, so that's good. Okay. Oh, it's right here. Jesus.
Going through your mind. This feeling's got me on fire. Don't ever leave it all behind. Can you feel the attraction?
Y'all, remember what I said yesterday about my lights, my light bulbs? So I went and looked at the place yesterday and I realized, even better, I realized that 2 of my light bulbs in my bathroom were out. So this is daylight, that's natural light. I'm about to steal some light bulbs. Okay guys, the movers are here. Let's see how this is going. Oh child, I really made a mess in this room, huh? All right, we have these bags that need to go. Nothing in there is mine. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. These lights up here are mine, but I'm gonna just be like, Dad, what are you talking about? Okay. I gotta take this with me. I'm gonna put it in my car. And we got these. Bathroom. Hey guys, so I'm headed to my place. I'm so excited. The movers moved so quickly. It was a 3-man job, so they literally had me walk them through. It's really just 3 rooms, and like the stuff that was in the hallway, well actually 2 rooms. The stuff that was in the hallway, the stuff in my room, the stuff in my dad's office, which is now formerly known as my dad's office and no longer known as my filming room. It's crazy to see that room with just like my dad's desk and the bookshelf. I'm sorry, the bookcase, bookshelf, whichever one is correct. And then just like his stuff in the closet. And then of course, seeing my room, well, my bathroom is completely empty, which is like now my dad's bathroom technically, because he uses that while his shower is being renovated. And it's crazy. It's crazy. And then just, oh, I want to go to Six Flags really bad. Okay, I'm gonna put a pin in that. And then what was I even saying? Oh yeah, and then going into my room and like hearing an echo. I'm so used to like just having stuff cramped up in my room, so I'm so shook. I'm so freaking shook right now because I can't believe that I'm actually, like, this is the day. It's happening. It's not going to happen. It's not about to happen. I'm not looking. Like, I'm moving right now. Like, right now, I'm moving right now. So, I have the stuff that I got from Best Buy just in the trunk and, like, on my back seat and stuff. I took my soft boxes. Well, you guys saw it in the clip. I took my soft boxes off of the little stand they were on, and I took my ring light off the stand it was on, and I put that back here too. So, yeah, I think the movers came at around 9:50, and it's 10:50 now, so an hour later, and I'm 20 minutes away from my place. So, they moved so freaking fast, and they don't have to assemble anything except for my bed. They took my bed down and they're going to put my bed back together when we get there. So I think it may be a little difficult getting stuff up the stairs to the second level. But it seemed like they didn't really have any problems like loading stuff. Some of my rhinestones are popping off of my nails. That sucks, but that's okay. I can just get them done. I need to get my nails done again before next week anyway. Okay, so yeah, I'm really excited. I'm hoping that when they get everything moved in, it only takes like maybe an hour, hour and a half, because I do have a TaskRabbit coming to mount my TV and assemble the things that I have purchased. So I kind of want to go grab something to eat, but I can always Uber Eats, which I have so many options now that I live in a different area, so I'm so excited. Okay guys, I'm here. I'm just waiting for the movers. I kind of lost them. I don't know where they... I don't know where they went. You guys, look, it's my first couch ever. Oh my god, it's so comfortable. I got a couch. Oh my god. She is so freaking cute. I had to change my shirt because when I was getting stuff out, like doing last minute packing, just packing up like my makeup and stuff, I got stuff from my makeup palettes on my shirt, so I changed my shirt. But this is just the super casual outfit that I'm wearing today. Everything's from Victoria's Secret except for my shoes. They're just Nikes. So the movers just left and they moved everything in successfully. So I have my TV over here, my couch. I am in love with my couch. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with my couch. And then y'all, we have the kitchen. Oh my goodness, there's so much going on right now. But y'all know it wouldn't be me if I didn't have gold silverware. Gold silverware. Yes I did. And then I have this knife set. Hold on, let me set y'all down. I got these knives. Aren't they so cute? It's supposed to look like this. Where's the picture? It's supposed to look like this. So yeah, you get the gist. I kind of scheduled things a little too close together. Right now I have the TaskRabbit on his way to mount my TV, put my canvas art up, build my coffee table, build my side tables, build my nightstand, mount my mirrors upstairs, build my thingy that goes in front of my bed. I got a little like fluffy, I'll show you guys because I don't know what I'm talking about. Build the bookcases that I bought for my shoes and build my dresser. I believe that's all he's doing today. I did get a new desk chair because I got a new desk. And let me show you guys this utter disappointment. Like, this is such a sorry excuse for bar stools. I got these bar stools from Joss & Main. It's really not that hot in here anymore. Let me turn this off. Bought these and they were supposed to come with like some type of backing, something like that. They only sent me this part. Now, if I go through one of these boxes and open them up and it has the backs of these, I'm gonna be really embarrassed. But I only got one package from Joss & Main and this is what came in it. So my bar stools don't have like backs to them. So me thinking like, well, it's Labor Day weekend. Why don't I just get on, I think I got on like either Overstock or Wayfair or one of those things. So like, let me just get on and see if I can find some new bar stools. And I did, but they only came in a set of 2. So I got 2 sets of 2 and they're acrylic with like champagne gold legs. But the express shipping for them to get here on the 7th of September was $200. Otherwise, they're gonna arrive on the 10th of September for free. So I can't do a tour until I get my new bar stools, which will be on September 10th, which sucks because that's like 9 days from now. But that gives me at least a week to get everything together. I'm probably gonna take these down to my garage because I really don't want them, but I'm gonna figure out, I need time to figure out what I'm gonna do with them because I can't sell them. I'm gonna have to ship them back. I can't sell them because they don't have any backs to them as far as I know. So when the TaskRabbit gets here, I'm gonna ask him to start with the TV simply because it's really quiet in here, and it's so quiet in here, it doesn't feel like I moved out. It just kind of feels like maybe I'm here for the weekend, like it's an Airbnb, but this is definitely my place. It feels really, really weird. And I did all of this move so far by myself. My dad had an appointment to get his car serviced, and my boyfriend's at work. So, yeah. Hi guys, look who decided to join the move-in party. Dad.
Hey.
So we're at Target. Let me turn you guys around. This one isn't super, but Dad said it should have everything that I need, so I'm just gonna assume it has everything that I need. Okay guys, so we're not at the super Target. We're at just the regular Target. I need some milk. I don't know which one I want, and I lost my dad. And I gotta go to the bathroom. No, that's not my dad. You're not my dad! Stupid noodlehead! Okay, I don't want soy milk. Do I want cashew milk? Or do I want almond milk? Or do I want coconut milk? Y'all, I went to the restroom and I came back running with these. I was like, Dad! Alrighty, so I didn't have a lot of water choices, you know. We're not really on our alkaline kick anymore. I'm gonna get some cereal though. I can get whatever I want. If I want Lucky Charms and Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Crunch Berries and Frosted Flakes, I can get all of that, but I don't want all of that.
You don't have to worry about me eating your stuff up in the morning.
Do you know how excited I'm gonna be when I just like prance downstairs in the morning in my pajamas, and I'm just gonna be like looking in the fridge like, look at all those groceries I just bought that are still here. Actually, I don't want cereal because I'm gonna make a smoothie in the morning. I do need to get some milk though. Alrighty guys, Dad's behind me. Had to get 2 carts. So this is like cleaning supplies, and then the cart behind me has some more cleaning supplies and then food. So this is just to get me started. I might do another like big shopping trip. I haven't decided yet. I'm so tired, and I have to go to the TaskRabbit tomorrow. I mean, the TaskRabbit is coming back tomorrow because I'm not done with everything yet. So okay guys, we're bagging up my stuff, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but Dad's paying for it. Thanks, Dad. Okay guys, I got my closet done. Oh my gosh! The vision. The vision! This is perfect. This is literally what I wanted. Of course, I'm gonna take this stuff down. A lot of the clothes and stuff are gonna go in the drawers, but yes, thank you! This is absolutely perfect. And then my shoes are gonna go on these shelves. Hi guys, it's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. And I'm with Kenya. Hi guys. My Texas Bama. So we are at Winners Barbecue in Plano. I know you're ready to eat.
No, it's fine.
Okay. So, as much as I love you guys, I gotta go. It's lit? Okay, I gotta eat. Bye. Alright guys, we just finished eating. We are in Home Goods.
Yes.
At home.
At home.
At home.
One of them homes.
One of them home stores. And then, y'all, we found this rug. So, I need a new rug for my living room. I think I'm gonna go with this one.
Yes, I really think. I think once you add that plush feel
Yeah.
that she needs, I think that's gonna do good. And I feel like I said, this ain't the one that everybody got. So I think I really like that.
I like this one. Okay. How do we get it?
So now we need to find a worker.
Okay.
So we gotta figure out where to keep the spare ribs.
Okay. So
Wait, it might be over here. Oh no, it's over here. So
it's pod. Oh, C94.
Yeah, C94.
I'm like pod 27. C94. Pod 27, C94.
Yeah, this is it because it's 149. 5x7. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. I think I got it.
Are you sure? Okay.
Wait. Yeah. This is it.
Okay.
Yeah. 5x7 ivory one because it's the same. The price. Yeah.
Boom. Got a new rug.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Right.
Okay, guys, we're looking for art.
I think the bigger canvases are gonna be on that back wall.
On the back wall. I knew that was gonna happen. Ooh, look at these plants.
Oh, that was up that corner.
I do want a plant.
You know I'm all about it.
I don't like it.
I'm all about glitzy glam, so I think that's how I'm like.
I'm all about like the fake, real looking plants.
Yeah.
Wow!
Oh, that is so cute.
Isn't this so cute?
That is so cute.
Yeah, I'm not looking for animals. I'm really, like, I would be okay if it had like a little,
Like just some abstract.
yeah.
Okay.
And I don't know. I was gonna step on a limb here and just be like, if they had canvases, I'll get some black paint and a paintbrush and just chew myself.
No. Who just did that? Khloe Kardashian just did that.
Really?
And yeah, and Chris, she gave it to Chris, and Chris didn't even, they told her that it was like from artist, and she believed it.
Really?
Yeah, and it looked good.
Okay.
You can put DIY.
what is je ne sais quoi mean? Does that mean something nasty? Okay, guys, we found the rug. I think I showed you the rug. Bless you.
Thank you.
And now we're looking at chairs. I really want like an accent chair to fill in kind of a space that I have by my window. And my couch is seafoam blue, so I either want like an ivory chair. Wait, does that look like the color of my couch right here?
Where?
Right there? No.
Yeah, it's light. No, that's lighter.
This is lighter.
Yeah.
And that's too blue.
Turquoisey.
Yeah, but it's in between these two colors. So hold on, y'all are kind of crooked. There we go. We're looking for a chair that goes with the decor.
With the decor.
The decor.
Are those only like, oh, it's on, well, those like diamond chairs.
Yeah,
You might have to do like Wayfair or something.
I just might. Darn it. Okay, so now we're gonna look at pillows. Aw, this is for dogs. Oh, I miss Pebbles. Oh, okay, I'll get over it.
Right. Wait, let's see.
Alrighty.
You want, oh, girl, I cannot sit down this house.
Neither can I really.
Oh.
Okay, hold on. Can we move the rug to where it's like this way?
Like that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn your face in.
Maybe we can fit down aisles a little better. Okay, do we want to hit the ivory section or go down here to the white?
Which one? What color is red? The color of the red is like
White. So let's go down here to the white. Oh, this one's pretty too. Oh my god.
oh yeah, I like that one.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
You know, that's what everybody be doing. Like,
Exactly. Because I got a coat like that and I just run my hands at the sleeves.
okay.
Okay.
Is this something?
Is this the white?
Because that don't help. Hold on. Yeah. You got gray and stuff on this house.
Ugh.
That's the only white they got.
This is it?
Oh, what's that down there? Let me see.
It looks like a dark taupey color. The last at home I went to had a whole white section.
Right.
Yeah, this is just gray. Dang it, y'all. Okay. Wait, let me see how much this is really quick. Ugh, darn it. But it's marble. I love it. Yeah, for both bathrooms.
I like it.
Ugh. Oh. I'm gonna get this. I already have 2 gold ones, but those look better. Okay, guys, we're not having much luck here at home. I see this gold bowl up here. I'm gonna kind of. Oh, Sheila. This sounds like Oh Sheila. Oh Sheila. I kind of wanted this for my fruit, but never mind. Never mind. I'm gonna tell Kenya when she comes out that we should go to Hobby Lobby first. But you guys, look. There's this painting that I wanted for my room that says Je ne sais quoi. I looked it up and it means I do not know what in French. Like their house lacks je ne sais quoi or something like that. Like the house doesn't have je ne sais quoi. Like I don't know what it is, but it's something, you know? That's what it kind of said the meaning was, but I still don't really get the saying. But it's cute. I like the font and I like that it's black and white. It's just really super simple. So I wanted that for my room because it's not big enough for my living room. But I'm just gonna pass on that. Hey guys. We are in Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, Lobby, Lobby. Hobby Lobby, Lobby, Hobby Lobby, Lobby, Lobby. Hobby Lobby, Lobby. There's so much Christmas decor.
I know, like I'm so ready.
Y'all. Between between Halloween and Christmas, it's like
Everywhere.
everywhere. But we came here for canvases. Whew. I'm gonna get like 2 big canvases, the size of the ones I already have. And I think I see someone coming. Okay. Would they be straight back to the right?
28, Courtney 28, thank you. They're gonna. Where would your blank canvases be? Excuse me, I'm sorry. Oh, no, you're fine. We have some right down there in art. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so gonna get 2 big canvases and then some black paint and a couple paintbrushes, and I'm gonna make my own living room art.
Okay. We're getting hot.
Okay, yes we are. Not 24 by 30.
Okay, not 30.
Maybe 2 of these. 30 by 30?
Yeah, that looks like about the size of what you, yeah.
Yeah, 2 30 by 30s should work.
Yeah. Oh, oh,
Ooh.
oh, just, oh,
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 oh, oh, oh. Camry.
This is what happens when you have 2 girls.
And they don't really know what they're doing. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, 2 30 by 30s. That looks good.
Lord, I'm broke.
I think it's okay. I think it's alright. We're okay. It's alright.
Yeah.
We're just gonna.
So you're gonna do acrylic paint? And then that, I don't
Sure.
know. I think acrylic paint is what people use on the camera.
Or maybe I should get the 48 by 60. I'm kidding.
I
Too
was like, you want to
big.
do one big piece? They're gonna be like, dang! As soon as you hit that corner,
Yeah.
boom! Oh wow,
That's huge.
that would be a big focal point of the room.
It really would. Should I be that extra? No? Okay. Okay, this is great. This is exactly what we were looking for. Like this one, like permanent black. Mm-hmm. How many of these do I need? Like 2 or 3?
I would say get 3 just because you probably use, I would say 3 to be safe. What you think?
Probably 3, yeah. Where's the cart? Where's our cart?
Oh, okay. I'll open the jacket and put the canvases back.
It was
Right here.
Oh, it's right here. Okay guys, we found the acrylic paint. So, I need the acrylic paint and then I need a paintbrush. One that's gonna give me like those abstract strokes. Whoosha, whoosha. Okay, so I'm gonna get 3. 1, a 2, a 3. Okay guys, I just had to get some acrylic gesso.
Well, if you want to be ghetto and just get like a paper plate, you got paper plates?
No, I ain't got no paper plates yet.
I got some at the house. You just take them.
Nah, I'm gonna be official.
Oh, you know what? There you go.
I would be official. Let's do the clean, easy paint tray.
Yeah. How many is in there? Is it 2?
It's just 1.
Oh, it looked real heavy.
No.
Okay. It was sturdy.
Or do I want to get this one?
No, man.
Or this one?
Because you know what you're gonna do?
What?
You'll be holding it like this, and I can see you now.
Dropping all my paint.
Yeah, paint just sliding off.
That's true. Okay, you're right. You got a point. All right, just drag me.
Just got you all together. I think this works.
Do I want to get some brush soap?
No, because you got to clean it once after you do the gesso.
Brush cleaner. Okay, I guess this will do. Guess we'll
You never
do
know
that.
whenever you're gonna feel like being artistic again.
Exactly. Exactly. Is that it? Is that all I need?
Yeah, so you got the paint, the canvas. Yeah.
The brushes.
You need something. You're gonna do it in the garage. Do you have something? I was gonna say to put that. Well, I mean, I don't think you're gonna be that sloppy, but I was gonna say like a tarp or something.
Okay, let's get a tarp. Where are tarps?
I don't know if you sell them here, but I would think that.
I would hope they sell like.
Excuse me. Do you guys sell tarps like that you would put the canvases down or something if you're gonna paint like the particular surface?
I think so. Let's see. Maybe I'll ask them.
Sorry to bother you. We kind of rip it though.
I know they about to close. Poor baby.
$3.50 and 1 penny.
300 and 1 penny.
400.
400. Hey,
400 and 1 penny.
401 penny.
500.
500. 500.
500 and 1 penny.
501 penny. $1 million.
700.
700.
701 penny. 1,000. That's not worth it.
1,000 going once. 1,000 going twice. Sold $1,000.
I still don't like it.